Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you divisibility test for number 9, 10 and 11. So let's start with number 9. For number 9 the rule is the sum of the digits of the number should be divisible by 9. Let's understand by this example. First number is given here 288. So we need to add all these digits of this number. So 2 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to. Now you see 8 plus 2 10 plus 8 18. Now 18 is the number of table 9. That means 18 is divisible by 9. So that number 288 would be divisible by 9. To check, I divide this number by 9. Here 288 and I divide this by 9. So you see 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. 9 3 ja 27. 0, 8 minus 7 1 and then 8. So 9 2 ja 18. Remainder again here 0. So 288 is divisible by 9. Now no need to divide the number by 9. Just we have to add the digits of the number, and what sum we are getting, that sum should be divisible by 9. That means the number would be divisible by 9. So again we use this number to check the divisibility for 9. This next number is 3420. Let's add these all digits of the number. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 3 4 7 plus 2 9 plus 0 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. That means 3420 is the divisible by 9. Now for next number you see 341. 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 347 plus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 is not divisible by 9. That means 341 is not divisible by 9. So now you can find out that the given number is divisible by 9 or not without actually dividing. Now let's start divisibility test for number 10. For that the rule is the digit in the ones place should be 0. You see in all these numbers at ones place 0 is given there. That means these all numbers are divisible by 0. No need to divide the number. By checking the ones place we can find out that the number is divisible by 10 or not. For that I am showing you again to divide this number, that is 480, and I divide this number by 10. So you see 10 4 ja 40. Here 8 and then 0 and 10 8 ja 80. Okay, so remainder is 0. So 480 is completely divisible by 10. This is the rule for number 10, divisibility rule for number 10. Fine. Now let's start divisibility test for 11. The rule is for number 11 is the difference of sums of the alternate digits of a number should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. I explain you by one example. This is the number. We have to find out that the number is completely divisible by 11 or not. For that we have to add alternate digits. So I start with 2. First number is given 2, then 7. So 2 plus 7. After 7 here is 4 plus 4. So 7 plus 2 9, 9 4 13. Now remaining digits are 6, 5 and 2. Now we have to add all these three digits. So 6 plus 5 and plus 2. So 6 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 6, 5, 11 plus 2, 13. So you see in the rule it is given the difference of sums of the alternate digits of a number. So we have find out here the alternate numbers 2, 7, 4, the sum is 13, and here remaining number sum is also given 13. Now we have to find out the difference of both sums. So 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. So according the rule, the difference should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. So here we are getting 0. That means the given number is completely divisible by 11. Fine. Now I divide this number by 11 to show you that number is actually divisible by 11 or not. So I am writing here number 2,45,762. We have to divide this number by 11. So 11 2 ja 22. 0, 4 minus 2, 2, 5. Again 11 2 ja 22. 0, 5 minus 2, 3, and number 7. 11 3 ja 33. So here you see 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 3 4. Number 6. So 11 4 ja 44. 6 minus 4 2, and the number is 2. So 11 2 ja 22. Remainder 0. That means given number is completely divisible by 11. Now here I divide the number, then I came to know that number is divisible by 11. But here without dividing we can check the number, that number is divisible by 11 or not. So I am giving you one more example. Okay, the number is 9152. Now again we have to add alternate digits. So I start with 2 and then 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Next remaining two numbers are 9 and 5. So we have to add these both numbers. 9 plus 5 14. Now we have to find the difference according the rule. So 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Now 11 is a multiple of 11, or we can say 11 is the number of table 11. So 11 divisible by 11, that means this number is also divisible by 11. Now I think let's start exercise 3B. First question is write true or false for each of the following. Now you see, for a question, 2 is a factor of 645. That means you have to find out that given number is divisible by 2 or not. So according the divisibility rule for 2, here you see at ones place it is given 5. That means this number is not divisible by 2, so it would be false. In number B, you see 3 is a factor of 423. So for 3, what we have to do? We have to add all these numbers. So 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. That means 9 is a number of table 3. That means given number is divisible by 3, and 3 is a factor of 420, so it would be true. In this way, children, these C, D, E, F, these all questions you have to do in your notebook. I explained you how to write, and I'll share the pic of 2 questions. Then according to these 2 questions you have to write in your notebook. In this way we will see question number 3. Question number 2, I'll share the pic of the solution. Okay, don't worry about question number 2. And question number 3, check the divisibility of the given number by 2, 3, 5, 9, 10 and 11. That means the numbers are given there. For this one number you have to check all the divisibility rule, right? For 45 you have to check, that 45 is divisible by 2 or not, divisible by 3 or not, by 5, by 9, by 10, and same as well as 11. Okay. So question number 3 you have to do in book only. So first one I am doing here. Okay, and next rest of the questions you will do according to your own. Okay, so first one is given, you see 45 at ones place 5 is given there, that means by 2 it is not divisible, so we will write here no. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, or 9 is a number of table 3, that means 45 is divisible by 3, so it is yes. At ones place 5 is given there, so according the divisibility rule of 5 it is divisible by 5, so again write here yes. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, and 9 is a multiple of 9, that means 45 is divisible by 9, so again we can write here yes. Now at ones place 5 is given there, 0 is not given there, that means 45 is not divisible by 10, so we will write here no. And 4 plus 5, when we find out the difference of this number, so 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1 is not multiple of 11, that means 45 is not divisible by 11. In this way you have to solve question number 3. Okay, thanks for watching video.